to my channel. So to start this makeup tutorial, I will be priming my face first, and I am using the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Primer. And for foundation, I'm pretty sure you guys already know which one I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, and I am in the color 105. I used to be 104, but I felt like it was a little bit lighter for me, so I went ahead and picked up 105. So I'm going to prime first, and then I'm going to be applying foundation. You guys already know how this goes. So I'm going to be applying foundation next, but I'm looking for my foundation brush. Okay, I found it. It's right here. This one is the Morphe M706. Oh, and I am using the Morphe Beauty Sponge to blend the foundation. I went ahead and applied my lip oil. I'm so excited for the holidays. My favorite holiday is Christmas, and I'm super excited. I don't think I'm going to do anything different this year. I'm probably just gonna be with my family and have some dinner and stuff. What about you guys? What are you guys gonna do this year? Let me know down below. By the way, I am using the Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm in the shade C7. The powder I'm using today to bake is the Mercier translucent powder. So I did went ahead and remove the powder. Now I'm moving on to bronzing, and for that I'm going to be using this one by MAC, and it's called Give Me Sun. Let me open it so you guys could see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this to bronze my face. I saw it the other day at Ulta, you know, because Ulta carries MAC now. And I was like, I'm gonna get it. I always wanted this bronzer, and I was always like, I'll get it next time, I'll get it next time. So I saw it that they had it available there, and I went ahead and got it, and I actually really like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face. So I'm thinking of decorating my apartment for Christmas, and I was thinking of vlogging, so let me know if that's something you guys would want to see, and I'll definitely vlog for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and clean everything up with some translucent powder. So for blush, I'm going to be using this one by Benefit, and it's called Dandelion. So I'm gonna give you guys a little update on everything, on how I'm doing. If you guys watched my holiday makeup tutorial, you guys know that my car burned and I was very stressed about that. So that is getting taken care of, the insurance and all that, you know. So that's like out of the way already, and I'm feeling so much better. I'm such in a good mood, and I just feel really motivated. And I just quickly wanted to say thank you so much for all the love and support you guys always show me. I love reading your comments. You guys make me super happy, and I just love you guys so much. So thank you so much for the love and support. Like I said, I can't wait to meet you guys one day. Anyways, I'm going to highlight now, and I'm using this Vive Cosmetics Loose and Glow Highlighter Duo, and it looks like this. Okay, so the face makeup is all done, and now moving on to the eyes. Yesterday I went to Ulta and I picked up this Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow by Stila, and I'm super excited to use it in today's look. So I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna do something for Christmas, something very extra and very, you know, glam. So I hope you guys like it, and let's just go ahead and get started. I am all done with the eyes. I'm obsessed with this look. I'm very happy with the way it came out. I feel like you can't really see the glitter on camera, but trust me, it looks amazing. It's super pretty and it's perfect for Christmas and New Year's. But anyways, moving on to lips. I'm gonna do a red lip today. I never really use red lipstick, so I'm super excited. I feel like red is always a good color for the holidays, so I'm gonna go ahead and use red today. And for lip liner, I'm gonna use, for lip liner, I'm gonna use this one by Kylie, and it's called Mary Jo K. And for lipstick, I'm using this one by Fenty Beauty, and it's called Uncensored. You guys, the only thing I don't like about these lip liners, look, like it comes out and I hate that. So I'm like struggling right now, but you know, have to do what I have to do. Wow, this lipstick looks bomb. I'm just like shocked because I never wear red lipstick, and I'm just obsessed. Okay, let me have my moment. Oh my gosh, I'm living for this look. So to finish up this look, I'm going to set my face, and I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and it's from the Cherry collection. And I am all done with this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys loved it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And one more thing, make sure you turn on your post notifications, that way you guys could be notified whenever I upload a new video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.